Now, definitely your hair journey is not simple. It's not easy. There are setbacks. I definitely had one like, what, 2 months ago. My hair was shedding. I had the wrong relaxers. My hair broke off. So it happens, but you just have to bounce back and keep pushing. I will put my hair in a protective style, and then I will take out the protective. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my updated regimen. Now I know it's been a really long time for me to do this updated regimen. Some people were asking me about my regimen probably 2 months ago, and the reason why it took me so long was because I am someone who likes to do something consistently. So if I'm not doing it consistently, then I don't agree that it's a regimen, because when you have a regimen, you have to do what you're doing consistently to see consistent results and to see improvements. So there are some things that I want to try, so I'm going to let you guys know about that. And then there's the things that I am doing right now that's a part of my regimen. So if you like these types of videos, definitely like my video, subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be pulling out a lot more videos to help you to get healthy, relaxed hair. And I am going to also be doing some tutorials to show you guys like hairstyles and things that I do with my hair. So let me get into my phone. So I went on Instagram to find a healthy hair regimen, just because I didn't want this video to be all over the place. I don't want everything to be like organized. So this has weekly, bi-weekly, and daily. So I'm gonna go through it and show you guys. Wow. Yeah, I don't have time to do none of that stuff right there. Nope. I'm very simple in my regimen. Weekly, I will definitely moisturize my hair. So I made a new moisturizing mix, and it has made my hair very soft and moisturized. And I think that's because I just incorporated some techniques that I've been reading from the Science of Black Hair Care book, and it has helped me to like learn more about taking care of my hair. So I will be doing a video showing you guys how I mix my hair mixture and why I use it and how it's working for me. So definitely like this video if you want to see that video. Leave a comment down below what is your favorite hair moisturizer, so that we can help each other out, because sometimes if you have low porosity or high porosity, finding the right moisturizer can be a challenge, and I know that for sure. So I'm so glad that I'm able to have the right moisturizer for me. So weekly, I definitely moisturize my hair, and I seal it with an oil so that my hair can have the moisture so that it does not dry out. And once it dries out, usually you will have breakage. So prevention is the key to having healthy hair. So definitely moisturizing your hair every week is recommended. So that's something that I do. I definitely wash my hair every 3 weeks. For me, when I wash my hair, I take my time to detangle my hair, and detangling my hair might take 10 to 15 minutes, just because I don't want to cause too much manipulation and cause too much breakage. So I take my time to detangle my hair, then I will wash my hair, and then once I'm finished washing my hair, I will apply my Olaplex treatment, and it says to leave that in for 30 minutes, so I will put that in my hair, sit under a hooded dryer with the Olaplex treatment in my hair for 30 minutes. Then after I am rinsing out the Olaplex treatment, I will shampoo my hair lightly with the smallest amount, definitely a pea-sized amount of shampoo, to do the steps of the Olaplex treatment, because it says to wash your hair after you're done doing the treatment. And then I will mix together a protein and a moisture conditioner, and put that in my hair and sit under the hooded dryer for another 30 minutes. And then I will rinse my hair out with cool water, and then follow straight towards cold water so that I can close my cuticles. Now, once I'm done rinsing my hair, I will take a t-shirt that is preferably cotton, and I will put that over my head to help to dry my hair, because the cotton will get most of the moisture out of my hair. And I will just let that sit in my head for about maybe 10-15 minutes. Then after that, I will get my protectant spray and a leave-in spray, and I will spray a little bit of that in my hair to prep my hair for the blow drying session. Then I will blow dry my hair, get it, dried from the roots to the tips, but I will start off with the tips because that's the oldest part of your hair and it's the part that's going to dry the quickest. And then I will get with a concentrated nozzle and get towards my roots, because that area is the area that's going to be mostly wet. And I make sure I get every area of my head completely dry, because I don't want to put the flat iron and my hair is wet. It's just going to fry my hair even more. So I make sure that my hair is completely dry. Then I'm going to apply my heat protectant in my shine spray. Sometimes I wait until afterwards, but sometimes I also combine them together. And then I will flat iron my hair doing the chase method with a comb, and I will section my hair off and flat iron my hair. And then once I'm done flat ironing my hair, I will apply my sheen spray, distribute that throughout my hair with a brush or a comb, and then I will wrap my hair in a dome shaped style. Just wrap your hair, put on a silk scarf, and I will wear that, going to bed. And then I will comb my hair down, and I will wait about maybe by the end of the week. I will lightly start to moisturize my hair, just because I know that if I put too much moisture in my hair is just going to revert. So I will wait at least a week or a week and a half to then start to put in the moisture, because after that, that's it. I'm not straightening my hair again until 3 weeks, so I can go 3 weeks and my hair is fine. I do not put oil in my scalp right now, but I am looking for a hair growth oil just to promote growth. So once I find a good hair growth oil, then weekly I will be adding the hair growth oil. I used the GS Sador Paris hair growth oil, and she's a YouTuber, and the reviews of that hair oil was really, really good. So I don't have itchy scalp or dandruff like that, so that's why I don't really oil my scalp, just because it's enough to be moisturizing my hair and then applying a oil to my scalp. Then I feel like my scalp is going to get more dirty very quickly. In terms of supplements, I take vitamins, but I don't take hair vitamins. Actually, I just take regular vitamins. So I'm going to go through the list of the vitamins, but a disclaimer, I'm not consistent with the vitamins at all. So, I'm just being honest with you guys. I'm not consistent with it at all. I would say throughout the week, I would take it at least 2 times, and that's just being honest. 2 to 3 times out of the week, better than nothing. So I will take alpha lipoic acid. I will take a B complex. I will take vitamin C. I will take vitamin D, either D3 or calcium. I will take vitamin K, and I will take lysine, and I will take an iron supplement, just because I know I'm definitely always low in iron. And I think that's about it, like off of my head right now. I think those are the vitamins that I take. So I will take all that together, and yeah, I'm not consistent, but it's good for me. So that's the vitamins that I take. I don't color my hair. I relax my hair every minimum 12 weeks. I know that once I can go over 12 weeks, I am guaranteed at least a full inch. So by doing that, I'm not over processing my hair, and I have something that I am retaining. So that's really good to at least be able to retain an inch and be able to grow my hair. Week 1 to week 4, I will let my hair down, and then from week 4 to week 8, I will have my hair in buns. Mostly I will rotate the position of the buns, because I don't want my hair to have too much tension and break off. And then week 8 going forward, I will put my hair in a protective style, and then I will take out the protective style by the 3rd week and redo it. And that's how I am able to push through and stretch my relaxers. I relax my hair like 4 times a year minimum, so definitely that's how I'm able to take care of my hair. I do have a scalp massager, but I'm not consistent with my scalp massager. I would usually do that on wash days, so having my scalp massager is good for my blood circulation on my scalp, but I don't do it. I used to do it in the past, but I have the tools, I'm just not using it. I have a length check t-shirt, so when I relax my hair, I definitely take pictures of what my hair is, and then I will cut it and trim it as needed. So I make sure that I do that so that I get rid of split ends and I can, you know, retain healthy hair. So I definitely protect my hair at nighttime. I have a silk pillowcase, and I've noticed that since I started using that, I'm able to definitely keep my hair soft and keep it moisturized, because when I wear the silk scarf, most of the times it fall off of my head. So then it's like, what's the point of putting it on if it's gonna fall off? So the silk pillowcase is a backup, and it has done really well for keeping my hair from drying out with the cotton. So definitely, if you know that your bonnet or your silk pillowcase, silk scarf is coming off, get you the silk pillowcase as a backup, because then you have something to protect your hair. Also, having a hair journal will help you, because when you document how your hair is responding to certain hair products, you can compare the ingredients, and then you can be able to maybe try out new products or try something that is working, and then adds more items to your collection, and you know, be able to take better care of your hair. So definitely having a hair journal can help you so that you can know what's working and what's not working. So I hope that these tips and what my regimen consists of can help somebody be able to push over and get over the APL plateau or the shoulder length plateau. And definitely, I think once you are able to, you know, have a clean scalp, wash your hair, moisturize your hair, take some vitamins, and definitely stretch your relaxer, you should be able to retain length and be able to grow your hair and be able to get to your hair goals. Now, definitely your hair journey is not simple. It's not easy. There are setbacks. I definitely had one like, 2 months ago. My hair was shedding. I had the wrong relaxers. My hair broke off. So it happens, but you just have to bounce back and keep pushing and keep going right there, and you're going to be able to get to your hair goal. So also, let me put this in there. My hair goal is to be mid back length. Yeah, mid back length would be really nice. I don't think I can do waist length. That's too much work. There's no way I'll be able to handle waist length. Like, I got too much hair in my head. So yeah, I can't do that. I am bra strap length, so getting to mid back length, I think that would be amazing. It's like the perfect length for me, I believe, because I know that now that my hair is longer, it's more work, it's more time, it's just everything is just more. So yeah, I don't have time for that no more. Not like in the beginning when I started my hair journey. Like, it was easy to do all of that stuff because your hair is short, it doesn't take that long, you can do it in half an hour, whatever, you know. But now that your hair is longer, it's going to take more time, and that's, you know, the dedication that you have to do to take good care of your hair. So I think that's everything that I covered for my hair journey. If you guys have a hair journey and you would like to help other relaxed ladies out, definitely leave your hair journey in the comment section so that we can help each other out and help each other to grow healthy hair. And I'll be reading the comments down below just to get some ideas, and so that I can help other YouTubers out who need some help with their hair. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys until next time. Bye.